We have a Royal with a Proto Trak 3-axis CNC control. It's a model 5VK, serial number 7159. The machine has a Proto Trak MX or M3 control. The box was updated in 2024, and we're going to run it for you. Machine serial number 7159. It was new in 1995. Okay, we are running the Z-axis. You have a 40 taper spindle, 5 inches of quill travel. You have a 10 by 54 table with 30 inches of travel there, longitudinal. You have a heavy duty knee, as you see, box weighs 16 inches of travel. We're running the head. The head is variable speed up to 4,200 RPM. Brake, nice and quiet. That's the low gear, also quiet. All right, I guess just crank the knee handle up and down. The knee goes up and down also 16 inches. There you go, nice and smooth. See, so all 3 axes work under power from the control. When you move the hand wheels by hand, it turns into a digital readout, as you can see there. That's the Y. And that's the X.